Alright guys, welcome back. So this is another video of this course. So big marketing ideas, create irresistible offer and stand out and sell. So again, if you are somebody who is not, who is asking me that why we should learn this, why we should learn from this person. So I want to show you guys something in order to proceed with. So basically, this is one of my client store where I work as a digital, marketer and do search engine optimization for this store. So I'm going to show you analytics of this store and the sales that we did over the past few months. So these are the sales of July 1st to 31st 2026. If I go back and if I show you the sales of about June from 1 to 30 and apply this. So we did the sales of like $43,000, and here you can see the orders 94. I can't reveal the store name or the products because you guys can eventually copy the product. So it might hurt our conversions. So I can't show you guys the store. Also here you can see my first to 31st. So it is for you guys to see that what we are doing and why you should the learn from me. It's because I did sales and give them the results that they deserve. Here you can see the orders are 66, the sales increase over the time, $28,000. If you go back, the sales were very low, but we start working on search engine optimization, digital marketing, and more about content production on the store. So we did increase our sales. So this is just for the sake of a little bit of you guys to see that this is something you should look up. So again, coming back on this. Let me fix this. This is not fixed. So yeah, why most marketing fail even with a good product. So this is basically the position sorry, this is basically what most people think. Most marketing does not fail because the product is bad or the product is weak. It's more about positioning. So what this positioning is, let me come up on. I don't know why this is happening. So yeah, after that slide, this is the next slide. So basically, in the era we are living, there is more content. You can see more ads, more competition. So we are living in the most competitive attention economy, where we have more content than ever. We have more ads and more competition, and the attention span of the people are very shrinking. So your audience is scrolling faster, they are filtering harder, and they are spectacle. If your message does not stand out instantly, you are invisible, and invisible businesses don't make money. Again, this is all about attention and what you should be knowing. The problem, the real problem. Here you can see. So here's the real problem. Weak messaging, generic promises, and no differentiation. So what you should be replacing, when you aware of these problem, like high quality services, professional solutions, result driven, and affordable pricing. These words means nothing. They are safe, they are boring, and they are forgettable. So when you sound like everyone else, the brain or automatically categorize you. You are not important for the customers or for the readers, for basically the somebody who is searching about your product on Google or on different search engines. People don't buy features. It's important to understand that people are not looking to buy features. If you're selling features, you will not eventually get their attention. But if you just sell the outcome, what people actually buy or is the outcome, the transformation, and they buy beliefs in the better future. So if you're somebody who is a freelancer and you're selling SEO services, that's the feature. If I say I help SaaS companies that turn organic traffic into the predictable demo bookings, It is more than outcome based statement. So that's, you can see the power of writing and the power of copywriting that you utilize when you start selling something. Either it is your service based business, either it is a product based business. Moving ahead, every purchase decision is emotional first and logical second. So when you are selling something, it's very important to understand these two concepts, which is about emotions and the logic. So emotions are like, does this matter to me? If somebody wanted to buy something, they basically ask, does that thing matter to me? And the logic is more about, does this make sense? So most marketing only speak to logic. Very few speak to emotions. So you gotta have to understand emotion first, and then back that emotion with the logic. And almost none create curiosity. That's why most companies never become breakthrough success. The point in it is, in order to sell something, you gotta have to understand emotion, and then back that thing with the logic. You don't need to put yourself out there and sell something with features which are not, people don't connect with the features or logic. Moving ahead, we have this another concept, which is about the big marketing idea. uh, this is where the concept of the big marketing idea comes in. A big idea does three things. It makes a bold promise. So your offer should be something which makes a bold promise. It explains why the promise works, and it makes people curious enough to want to know more. Right? Your funnel should be something which makes people curious about to know more about your product and to know more about your story. It combines emotion and intellect. When that happens, your marketing no longer compete on prices. It compete with on perceived opportunity, and opportunity is powerful. So this is a concept you need to understand in order to sell something to somebody. Moving ahead, so if your marketing isn't converting, does don't immediately change your product, don't immediately lower your price. First, examine your message. Most of the time it's important to see what's your message is, and how do you guys use marketing or copywriting in your marketing message. So it's important to see what's your message is about, because in the crowd market, clarity and differentiation wins. So in the next video, we will going to cover more about the big marketing ideas, the actual formula you should be using when you wanted to sell something, when you create the funnel. I hope this helps. If you have any question, do let me know. You can also message me, you can also comment me. So I hope that helps. See you in the next video.